के कराटे कोच। सबसे पहले तो मैं एकार्थ का धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया उनके साथ काम करने का। मैंने सचमुच उनके साथ बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला और भी मैं चाहूँगा उनसे और भी कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ सीखूं। और एक बार और मेरी एक ख्वाहिश है, सभी टीम मेंबर्स को मेरे टूर्नामेंट्स में उनको इनवाइट करूं। थैंक यू।
So, if given the one last chance to do two things, first would be definitely meeting the kids and then telling them how great they were, how great they are, and then gifting them for all the star performance which they have done, all the stars they have earned, and how in certain ways they have made me grow for what I am. Thanking them for every single thing which is there in the ACAR session, ACAR journey came across. And the second would be, I would be saying it to all people, maybe the kids, maybe the ACAR fellows, maybe the ACAR के ऊपर वाले लोग, that is, hey, you know, coronavirus is coming and be strong. It may hit you hard or not hard, but then I'll be there waiting on the other side of it. Again, be the same people and be awesome enough to just meet again and laugh again and learn again. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So I guess everyone is doing great. So the last two things I would love to do as a fellow at ACAR. So the first would be that when I was at fellow at ACAR, so I really never got a chance to go to the community visit. So I was really looking forward to it, but due to COVID, like it all got stopped and I didn't go to any community visit. So I have that regret of not going to any community visit because I was really looking forward to that. And the second would be that before starting the classes at ACAR, so we used to have these sessions with the other fellows and we used to have all this sort of different activities. So for the last time, I would really love to do that and I would really love to meet all the fellows at ACAR and really want to talk with them for the last time.
Two things which I would be doing if I would be in ACAR would firstly, me being a culinary arts department would definitely be trying out more new innovative recipes for the kids, fun and easy recipes. And secondly, was looking forward for the ACAR event where the children would showcase their talent and their skills, what they have learned throughout the journey, which would make their parents proud and of course me also. So these two things I was looking forward to.
Two things I would love to do are, one, I would love to take another class with my kids, probably play a football match with them and also some kabaddi because we'll be doing that. And the other thing is I would love to attend one of the training sessions with Kulsum ma'am and yeah, that's about it.
Everyone, my quarantine is going pretty good. I'm very happy that I had enough time to spend with my family. And I really enjoyed working in ACAR. I met an amazing talented artist at ACAR and I'm glad that things are taking a good turn with ACAR. And the last thing, being a fellow at ACAR is I really love teaching children and if I get a chance of teaching the children, then I would be very happy in that. I can say it's my last wish being a fellow at ACAR. So I really love it. So that's my last thing that I could do, being a fellow at ACAR for the last time. And I'm looking forward to meet you all. Be safe. Thank you.
So the first thing that I would like to do as a fellow at ACAR again would be to have one last class with my kids again, just to be able to spend that one more hour with my kids again. All of us had planned a lot for the last day, the last session and everything, including the kids, me, but we never got the chance to do it, so I would love to do that again. The second thing would be to have a session with my fellows again. We had like some great training sessions, interviews and everything, but this all happened before our ACAR journey with the kids, so I would love to have one after so that we could all share our experiences. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Hi. So the two things I would like to do as a fellow for the last time are, I would love spending time again with everyone, and the second thing, I would love to give makeover to some of them. Yep, that's it.
Two things I would like to do as fellow of ACAT for the last time are, the first one is I promised the children a community visit which I couldn't do due to various reasons. I would like to complete that. And then the second one is I want to spend time with the children for one whole day and also with the fellows of ACAT. Thank you.
So there are two things that I do, two last things that I do as a member of ACAT would be meeting my children. I would love to go and spend time with them, talk to them, and meet them in their classroom, see those pretty smiles. And because the last time I met, I couldn't attend the last class, so it was a pretty abrupt end. So I want to go and meet them one last time. And another thing that I'd want to do is buy these children drawing books and paints. I want to buy them that so they keep pursuing their passion and love for drawing and painting. Yeah. And I'd love to thank ACAT for giving me this opportunity. It has definitely, not only did it give me the opportunity to make a difference in the lives of these children, but it has had a huge impact on me and how I pursue things or how I approach things. So I'd really genuinely like to thank ACAT for this opportunity.
The two things I would like to do are, I couldn't meet the kids and complete what I had to do due to the pandemic. I would love to take one last class and spend the day with them. And the other thing is, I would like to spend some quality time with the children and the ACAT team.
Hello everyone, it's me Vamshi, and I hope everyone's doing well with this pandemic situation. 2019 November, when we all started our ACAT's fellowship, it's been really good. It's one of the best times I ever had in last year. And the whole fellowship, it started from November until March. It went really well. Everything was wonderful, and the people I have met, my fellow colleagues in ACAT, they were really amazing. And especially the people who have been part of the core ACAT team, were able to find out really wonderful people to teach for wonderful people for every genre, so that every kid can learn something else in a very different manner. And kudos to ACAT team. And if you ask me if I get one last chance, one last day to relive that fellowship moment with my kids, with the students, here's two things what I'm gonna do. So I'm a photographer, so immediately I'm gonna get selfie with each and everyone, of course selfie with each and everyone, and also talk to them and play some really nice games, and try to make sure that I also meet all the other fellows, so that it would be, that day should be a really memorable one. So yeah, those are the two things, and really looking forward to ACAT to really come back, fight with this COVID-19, and make a comeback with another plan of spreading love, spreading knowledge, spreading enthusiasm, and all the best, ACAT.